Hey guys, and yeah, welcome to my channel, and this is the second video of my Tuesday series. Today's video is for people who want to start their YouTube channel and some of the tips which I should have known before starting my channel and get more subscribers depending on the content or the category of content you post. So I've divided this video in some parts where you can start from 0 to at least achieve 100 subscribers. I can't guarantee that, but it all depends if you follow this video properly and start the YouTube channel. So the first thing is all about starting the YouTube channel. I'll suggest you guys to at least post 2 or 3 videos before you roll it out to people or the world. Because I started my YouTube channel, I posted my welcome video where I shared with the world what kind of videos I will be posting and all. Then I started vlogging about my travel journeys because the welcome video was a proper introduction to how my YouTube channel will be and what you can expect if you are subscribing to my channel and the quality of content you can deliver to the people. So I put some of the shorts or some of the cut short videos where I showed people what kind of video they were expecting if they subscribe to my channel. I'll suggest you guys, if you are planning to start your YouTube channel, first make 3 videos, then start making even the Facebook page, because if your channel doesn't have any content, why will someone subscribe to you and want to watch more videos? So I will tell you guys to start with 3 videos at least at first, whatever category you may be in, music, comedy and everything, because then people will see yeah, you are started to post some videos and also you are consistent about it. For YouTube nowadays, you need to at least post a video weekly, because this shows you are really interested in growing your YouTube channel. People want to see something at least on your channel on a regular basis, or a schedule which you cannot miss. You have to plan a proper schedule. So in making 3 videos, it might take 1 month, as you can see, 3 videos every week, but I will tell you guys that please submit it on a weekly basis, if you are submitting from Monday, Tuesday, Friday. And yeah, people will start thinking that yeah, you are making such videos and also you are consistent about it. So that's it, one of the hacks. So start making videos, at least 3 of them, and then start rolling out, which is the second topic of this video. So the second topic is all about how to roll your content out, how to tell people that you have a YouTube channel and why should they be interested in subscribing your channel, because they will get the notification and watch the video. So the first thing is that charity begins at home. So you have to start sharing your YouTube link or the video links to your friends from Facebook, Twitter, or on WhatsApp. If you use WhatsApp and you have many groups, your school groups, your college groups, your office groups, just let people know that you have a YouTube channel and that you have 3 videos posted, and ask them for a genuine suggestion. Ask them about how the videos are and how should you change your content, and they can be your best critic, because those are your friends who want you to grow, and this can really help you start posting good videos at the start, just the start of your channel. I can guarantee you, if you start sharing your videos with your friends and posting regularly on a consistent schedule, people will start sharing those videos, and also comments, which is also good for your YouTube videos, because comments, SEO and all, that will be our third topic. I can tell you that if you start getting comments and likes on your first videos on your channel, YouTube algorithm might think that you are a consistent player in the YouTube game, and you post videos regularly and your video is really engaging to people who comment on your videos and also like them, which helps in making your videos go up on some of the keywords, which is really good for your video to grow and get more views. And yeah, I can guarantee if your friends start sharing your videos, reaching 100 wouldn't be a week long. So once you submit your 3 videos in 3 weeks and then start sharing those videos with your friends, in 1 month you can grow to 100 subscribers, which is not a bad number, because I can tell you guys, to reach 100 and then 1000, and from 10,000 100k, it's a long journey. Reaching 100 is also what you say is a good achievement unlock for your channel. So that's how, like, with these two topics you can easily grow your channel for like 100 subscribers. Then start the journey where people will start commenting on videos and you can see that your channel is growing. And yeah guys, that was the second topic, and let's get started with the third one, where you will be reaching out to people who are like very new to your channel, or they are visiting your channel for the first time, by doing a keyword search where they come to your channel to visit a particular video they are looking for online. Like they might be coming from YouTube or even from Google, and yeah, in some cases they also might come from some social media channels where you have posted your video and like it got shared by people and all. So the third topic is all about how to submit your videos, where you keep in mind like the four things: the title, thumbnail, description, and the keyword tags which you will be posting with your video. As you see, whenever you do a keyword search in YouTube, you will be seeing like hundreds of videos coming out from the search results. So you need to be different or like unique from the different videos. So the first thing which comes is the thumbnail. So you need to have a good thumbnail where if it's possible to show something which is related to the video, so that it clicks the user that this video might have what he wants. Then the second thing is the title, where you need to post the best keywords or like the best tagline which will help the user understand that this video is like more of related to the topic he's searching for. And also you should try to post like more keywords in your titles, not more than 70 words, but yeah, if you keep the title from 20 to 70 words, they say it's a good limit to have, but not more than that, because people won't be searching for such long keywords. After that, the description, it should be a short summary of the whole video, where if someone is reading the description, he should get the click that this video is related to something which is he is searching for. And if you can, try to post some of the keyword tags which will be posting after the description in the video. That might help the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video has the things which the user is looking for. And yeah, if you make a description with like 4 to 5 keywords which are related to the video, that will be really a good thing for your video to like rank up in the search results of YouTube and also Google search. And the tags, if you're new to YouTube, you should definitely try to find some of the long tail keywords, because as you know, most of these small keywords might have some competition on them, because there will be some videos with millions of views and it won't be that easy for your video to reach to that level that quick. And yeah, you should start posting long tail keywords, because there is a small margin of people who will be searching for these long keywords. But yeah, you should try to reach them first, so your videos go up in these keywords, and later you can change the keywords to some smaller one, and try to like keep changing these keywords, which might help you to grow more on the YouTube channels. And yeah, that's it for the third topic, where you might get from 100 to 10,000 views very easily. And after you reach like 10,000 views, you can start researching more on the competitive keywords and like try pushing those keywords in your description and tags, so that might help you to reach out to more audience. So yeah, one more tip before I leave you guys to try out some of the tips which I gave you in this video. Also, if you are trying to like push out content depending on the series or like the categories of different types, like if you have a tech review channel and then also you post some vlogs, try putting them into playlists, which also helps you grow. Like the playlist really helps you to reach out to more people who are not searching for like just one video. Instead, they want to see a series of videos which help them in many ways, like in learning something or something entertaining to them. Like I do, if I visit a place, I make a playlist of that, and people start searching for those playlists and reach out there, and instead of viewing just one video, they might view more videos, which might help you retain those people who are viewing like more than one video on your channel. So yeah guys, that was it, and hope you like got some of the tips while you are starting your YouTube channel, which is like really helpful, and you should definitely try this out. And if this helps you, do not forget to like post some of the comments and your whole experience about all the tips I gave you on this video. So I'm ending the video from here, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new here, because more such videos are coming every week on Tuesday and Friday. My travel vlogs will be there for you guys to watch. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.